Hi guys. Generally, I was too lazy to read anything like PDFs, books, and all. So today I was writing a code to read the PDFs to me. The Python code will help me to read the PDFs to me. So let's get started. We need to install some modules. Let's go and install some modules. Open command prompt and type pip install pyttsxe. pyttsxe means Python text to speech version 3. I have already installed this one, so that's why it has came that requirement already satisfied. Next, in the module pip install by pdf f2. Sorry, pdf2. This is easy to read the PDF for us. Okay, let's import both the modules. Okay, first we need to select some of the PDF to read for us. I was naming the PDF as book in my program. Open. We need to specify the name of the PDF, and here we are already having one PDF called notes.pdf. And I was reading that PDF, so I have to give here parameters like D. We need to read that PDF, so let's get started. PDF reader, name for that, and py pdf2 dot PDF file reader, and pass the object book. And let's count the number of pages in it. Total number of pages. PDF reader dot num pages. Okay, let's see how many pages are there in that. Print pages. Yeah, I have to give the path correctly. Okay. Okay, now let's run this program. I think now it should work. Yeah, there are totally 126 pages. Let's see. Yeah, total there are 176 pages. Okay, from where the notes is starting? Yeah, from 4th page. Just note it. Now plus the PDF should be converted into audio now. We can give some object like speaker name. I was giving name speaker. Speaker will read the text for me. I have initialized the speaker. Now I will give the page number. From where should it start? Page PDF reader dot get page from fourth. Now we will extract the text from the page. Basically, I was so ready to read. That's why I was creating this one. This one.
Basic concepts of object-oriented programming. Objects. Objects are the basic runtime entities in an object-oriented system. They may represent a person, a place, a bank account, a table of data, or any item that the program has to handle. Class. Object contains data and code to manipulate that data. The entire set of data and code of an object can be made a user. Define data type with the help of a class. Data encapsulation. The wrapping up of data and functions into a single unit is known